Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply make your Chrome browser faster with simple Chrome setting. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Chrome browser. After open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the search right here and type in Chrome colon then slash flag and enter. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to search flag right here. What you need to do is to type in QUIC protocol. Then just type what you see right here. So what you need to do right here is to make sure you click on default right here and make sure you switch to enable right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on relaunch Chrome. And it's as simple as that. What this particular experiment does is that it makes your Chrome browser very much faster when you are browsing on internet, and this feature is available both in Android, iOS, and desktop or Mac. You can enable it to make your Chrome browser faster without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.